Birdeye.so is a powerful tool for gathering and analyzing customer feedback, especially suited for businesses looking to improve customer satisfaction and reputation management. Here's a quick guide on how to get started. Sign up and set up your account. After signing up, connect your business information, such as your locations and contact details, and integrate any platforms where customers leave reviews. Birdeye will automatically start gathering your reviews from these platforms. Gather customer feedback. Use Birdeye's review request feature to ask customers for feedback. You can send automated review requests via email or SMS after a service is completed, ensuring consistent feedback collection. Customize these messages to match your branding and tone. Monitor and manage reviews. In your Birdeye dashboard, view customer reviews from all integrated platforms. You can respond to reviews directly, showing engagement and dedication to improving customer experience. Analyze feedback. Birdeye's analytics tools allow you to track trends in customer satisfaction over time, identifying areas for improvement. View metrics such as average rating, review frequency, and sentiment analysis. Share positive reviews. Automatically share positive reviews on your website or social media to boost your business's online reputation.